Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with another video. In this video we will see about our 2 airdrop. Before get into that, make sure if you are new to our channel and then please go and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button, and do check out our video. We make a video related how to claim a free airdrops and new released coin, and how to claim a free method and get a initial earning. So if you are not watched this Wazirex and you're still not claimed one Wazirex totally free, and then please go and check out this video. And we make a video about exchanges and how to register in exchanges and do a KYC and all. So do check out this video. And if you're not bought a Ripple and W Ripple and W Dodge, then go and check out those video also. Mainly I want to say that guys, don't miss any airdrops because you can see that it's the same thing about Mars token also. There are some people who are not participated in a Mars airdrop, then because of that they got missed the chance to earn a Mars token for a totally free, and Mars token got listed in a exchange also. The value of a Mars token will get reach high in some days, so don't, I will say that don't miss any airdrops. You can see there's a Mars token. Here you can see that 3 weeks ago I made this video, and a week ago we got our Mars token in our MetaMask wallet. So I would say that don't miss any airdrop videos. We cannot say that what will be the price of airdrop in future days, so don't miss any video. Do join every airdrop. So let's get back into a video. In today we are having 2 airdrops, so don't miss any of them. So in our first airdrop, it's about Cardens. I will give 2 airdrop link and other links also in our Telegram channel, and our Telegram channel link also given in this video description. You can by clicking that link you can directly go to this post. So once you come and join our Telegram channel, then just tap on the first airdrop, then it will redirect and open up in your browser. Then you can see this type of interface, and yeah, we have to do some tasks first. When you come to this airdrop page, just click on a login with the Telegram. Once you click on a login with the Telegram, then we have to enter our Telegram number. Once you enter your Telegram number, and you will get this type of interface, and here we have to click on accept, and the verification message will be sent to your Telegram. That message you will see that a new login attempt has been done. So don't worry, just click on accept. Once you click on accept, it will open up again, and here you can see that the connected and your username of your Telegram. And after that we have to enter a wallet address. You just enter your smart chain wallet address. Once you enter your smart chain wallet address and click on enter, then here you can see there will be a green right check mark. And even for previous task what we done, we have connected our Telegram. There also we got, and the other 2 were not ticked. In a third task we have to enter our email address. Just enter your email address. After that it will also get a green tick. In our 4th task we have to follow their official Twitter channel, and we have to retweet the post. Just tap on tweet. Once you tap on a tweet, it will open up like this, and you'll be redirect to your Twitter account, and you will see this type of interface. And just click on tweet. Once you click on a tweet and follow the Cardinals Twitter, then you will see the green tick. Once you get all green tick, just tap on a save. Once you tap on a save, the save button will be disappear, and wait for distribution of this airdrop. I will inform in our Telegram channel, so make sure you have joined our Telegram channel. Let's see about a second airdrop. Second airdrop link also will be in same post, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. And you can see the airdrop 2 and a link. This link for a Telegram bot of Clover. This airdrop from a Clover wallet. So before that we have to create a Clover wallet. To get a Clover wallet, if you have not created a Clover wallet, I will give a Clover wallet link. Here you can see the Clover wallet app link. Just click on a link. Once you click on a link, it will open up like this. Just tap on open. Once you tap on open, it will redirect to your Play Store, and you can just install it. I already has installed, so it is showing like open and uninstall. Once you install it, it will open up like this. Once you install it, then open an app and it will open up like this. You will get this type of interface, and you can see the welcome to Clover. If you have a account in Clover, just tap on I have a wallet and insert your seed phase. If you don't have a Clover wallet, then just tap on I don't have a wallet. Once you tap on I don't have a wallet, then you will get a create a password. Just enter a password and re-enter the same password here. Once you enter a password, just click on a continue, and you will see the seed face of your account. Tap on this to reveal your face. Once you tap on it, you will see the face. You will see the face, and just click on a copy and store it somewhere securely. Without that face, you cannot open your account. Seed face is very important, as I told you in Trust Wallet. If you didn't watch the Trust Wallet video, then go and check out the playlist of a Trust Wallet. Make sure you copy and click on a continue. Once you click on a continue, you have to rearrange the seed face. Just tap on it. Once you arrange the seed, just click on a continue, and you will get this type of interface. Congratulations, keep your original face safe. It's your responsibility. So after that, just click on done. Once you click on done, it will open up like this. After that, just come back to our Telegram channel, and you can see the airdrop bot. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get this type of interface. You will get a Sakura pre-crowd loan, this live stake, and yeah, we have to solve the equation. Just calculate and enter. Once you give a correct answer, you will get another message, welcome to a Sakura pre-crowd loan airdrop event. Here you can see the top 1500 users who invited the most friends will be rewarded, and here you can see that the top 1 to 100 will get a 100 Sakura token, and here you can see all the details. And this airdrop will be still 1500 people to 1500 people. And here we can see we have some task to do. In our first task, we have to join a Clever Telegram. Just click on a group. Once you click on a group, it will redirect to a Clover official. Just click on a join. Once you join, and come back to your bot section, and we have to follow the Clover announcement channel. Just click on a channel, then it will be redirect to a Clover announcement channel. Just click on a join. You will get a join button here. I already joined, that's why I'm getting a mute. Just click on a join, and come back to our bot. And same for our Discord, we have to join for our Discord. Just click on our Discord, and it will show up like this. Just click on open, and it will ask you to open a Discord. Just click on just once, and it will open up a Discord channel. Wait for a second, and just click on accept invite. Once you click on accept invite, it will open up a Discord channel, and yeah, you will get not been verified. Once you get that, make sure you have tap on this three line, and just click on this message icon. And in a first server capture, we have to enter this capture. Just enter the same capture, and click on enter. Once you send this capture to a server bot, then you will be verified and successfully joined to a channel. After that, if you want to watch the tutorial, after that, just you can see that just tap on ready. Once you tap on ready, it will say to submit your Twitter ID. Just enter your Twitter ID and submit. And once you enter your Twitter ID, it will send you a message that your Twitter user has been successfully added. Please submit your Discord user name. Just enter your Discord username, and just tap on send. Once you send the Discord username, then it will send you a message that your Discord name has been successfully submitted. Then we have to submit a Clover mainnet address. For a Clover mainnet address, just open your Clover wallet. Once you open a Clover wallet, it will ask you a password. When you created a Clover wallet, you enter some password. Just make sure you enter the same password here. Once you type your password, then just click on unlock. Once you click on unlock, it will open up like this. And yes, you can see the first one, CLV. Just tap on it, and just tap on receive. and you will get your Clover receive address. Just click on a copy, then come back to your Trust Wallet bot, paste your Clover wallet address, and click on a send. Once you send the address, you'll be qualified to your Clover airdrop, and you can see that congratulations, now you are generating your own. Here you can see that the address will be within a working days after Sakunamental launch. It's gonna launch in 7 days, and receive our airdrop in 7 days. And one thing is there, just make sure that you have invite or refer with 2 or 3 friends, so that you are qualified for a higher stage. As we saw in here, the top referral will get a reward, so make sure you have invite 2 to 3 members. In this video, this much only, guys. If you like this video, please go and hit that like button, and if you didn't like this video, please give a dislike, and I'll mention you why you didn't like this video. And if you are new to our channel, and please go and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button. And if you are not joined our Telegram channel, then please go and join our Telegram channel. Here I share a quick update about airdrops and new crypto news. You can see I share a lot of airdrop and news related stuffs here, because everything cannot be done very quickly in a video. To create a video, it takes some time, so I share it over here, because we might don't know that when we create a video, and if we upload it in YouTube, that time the airdrop get ended. So I share it in our Telegram channel, so make sure you have joined our Telegram channel, and every quick update will be uploaded here, so make sure you have joined our Telegram channel. And thank you for watching. Peace.